Hi there, welcome to Sisters for Fi. My name is Catherine Agupjan, and here at Sisters for Fi, we help you manage your money better so you can live a life of impact today and tomorrow. In this video, we are going to talk specifically about spousal IRAs. And this video will be helpful for those parents who have decided to stay home to take care of children or to take care of other family members, or have decided to stop working for a few years to pursue other opportunities. Now, for those that have left the workforce or will leave the workforce to take care of others, it's important to recognize that caregiving is very important work. But what that means for many caregivers is that they are not earning income, which can be saved and investment for retirement. A spouse or partner that does not work may also get dinged by Social Security down the line, as they are likely not to earn credits for future benefits. And this is where the spousal IRA can come in to help you. Let's backtrack a little bit and explain what an IRA is. An IRA stands for an individual retirement account. It is an investment vehicle that allows you to save for the long term. Within the account, you can invest in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and CDs with the goal to grow your money over time. And there are two types of IRAs. The first one is called a traditional IRA, and in that account, you make pre-tax contributions, and the investments in that account grow tax deferred. You pay taxes when you withdraw the money in retirement age. The second account type is called a Roth IRA, and in this account, you put post-tax money, so you pay taxes today, and the Roth IRA offers tax-free growth and tax-free withdrawals in retirement age at the age of 59 and a half or older. Now, the Roth IRA is a very lucrative way to save for retirement, but if you want a little bit more flexibility, the Roth IRA does offer certain circumstances where you can withdraw the money to help pay for either first-time home purchase or other acceptable exceptions. The recommendation, though, is to keep the money in the Roth IRA so it can continue to grow over time. The big thing about IRAs is that it requires earned income that comes from employment. So in this case, because the non-working spouse doesn't have earned income, they can use the working spouse income to access the benefits the IRA offers. Another feature of a spousal IRA is that it's not a joint account, but a separate IRA set up in your name, the non-working spouse name, which allows them to have a retirement account which can grow again over time. Now, there's no age restriction to contribute to either traditional or Roth IRAs, but there will be income restrictions, so you'll need to review the IRS income guidelines for that. And so what are the requirements for a spousal IRA? The first one is that you and your spouse must be married, filing jointly. The second option is that the working spouse must have earned enough income to cover contributions. So if each of you have your own Roth IRA and are maxing it out at $6,000 each, it means the working spouse must have earned at least $12,000 in order to contribute the $12,000 for the Roth IRAs. And I mentioned before that there are strict income restrictions. So if your income is above a certain point, as you file married, filing jointly, make sure you check the IRS limits because it does phase out after a certain income range. So what does this mean? It means that if you take time off to care for kids or other family members, you can continue to pay yourself in essence and allow that money to be invested and grow over time so that by the time you retire, you have some money set aside to use for your retirement days. It's also a great area for couples to max out as the IRA takes provides certain tax benefits either today or down the line. And that's an opportunity for you to save even more money and use that to invest over the long term. So yes, I would absolutely encourage you to take a look at spousal IRAs and how you can open either a traditional or Roth IRA for yourself so that you can save money for retirement. I hope this video on spousal IRAs has been helpful. If you liked it and found it valuable, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn more about how to manage your money better for the future, please subscribe to Sisters for Fi. Thank you.